Watch this video and learn how to draw Cocomelon.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Artie! Artie! Where's Artie, little artists? I don't see... Oh, there he is. Artie, we can see you. Artie.
Yeah. I'm Mikey.
Mikey.
Mikey the marker, yeah.
Mikey,
Nice to see you.
they're here.
Huh? Oh, hey, little artists.
Hello, little artists.
Today we're going to draw Cocomelon. We'll start by drawing the bow. So first of all, do an oval shape. That's the knot of the bow. And then we'll do the two wings on either side. It almost looks like a butterfly, but it's a bow. There we go. Let's do a few extra lines to really make it look like a bow. And a few little crease lines. Crease, 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 crease. If you're drawing along with Artie, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks for that message, Louie. Okay, now let's draw the main body of Cocomelon. It's sort of a old-fashioned TV screen shape. Kind of a square, but with really curved corners. Okay, now just join that line up to the top, Artie. That looks really good, Artie. Now, what next? I know, let's draw an outline inside of that square shape. An outline is when you repeat the shape either on the inside of the original shape or on the outside. It's like a little copy of the original shape. That's good, Artie. Try and make it match as closely as possible to the original shape. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect. The great thing about art is there are no mistakes. Whatever you do is up to you.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
I can smell it, too.
Ooh, Mikey. Okay, time for Cocomelon's eyes. We're going to draw a big oval shape on the left with a little black dot inside. And then we'll do the same on the right side. Nice big oval. And then a little black dot inside. Now Cocomelon has two rosy cheeks. So let's draw another two ovals. One on the left, where the cheek would be. And then one on the right. And later we'll colour those in. Let's do Cocomelon's little cute nose and then little smiley mouth. Draw her mouth as if it's a little arrow. So do two little pointy bits on the end. Oh yes, she's very happy. You want a cartoon break? Okay. Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured pink. Artie loves pink. Look, pink flowers. Pink candy. Yum. It's a little pink piggy. Yay, pink doors. Artie, you found lots of pink things. Artie loves pink.
Hey, Betty, where'd you get those earrings?
Oh, thank you for noticing. They're from a local artist.
Oh.
Now, Cocomelon has a TV aerial on her head. Sometimes aerials are called antennae, or sometimes they're called rabbit ears because they look a little bit like rabbit's ears. Do another little wavy ear shape on the right. That's right. And now let's draw 2 circles on the ends. A circle on the right. And a circle on the left. She's looking great.
Great job, Artie.
Just wonderful.
Now let's draw some lines on her body. These are going to become the stripes when we colour her in. These would look like stripes that you find on a melon. Ooh, melon is so yummy, Artie. Yummy! Well, it looks like you've got all the stripes done. Well done, Artie. She looks fantastic. Should we colour her in?
Color it in. Color it in. Color it in.
Are you all finished, Artie? I love the colours. She looks like a yummy melon with a pink bow. Cocomelon.
That turned out so good.
It's amazing.
Well, little artists, thanks for watching today. We hope you were drawing along and you did your very own version of Cocomelon. Have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.